to be talking about GFCIs and where you find them in your house and how to test them and things to look for when they trip, stuff like that. This is an example of a GFCI that you find in your house. This specific one is a weather rated one. You can tell because it has a WR on the GFCI here. They have a little test and reset indicator on here. Some of them have lights, it depends on the brand. Some of them have a little green light to let you know that it's working, some have a red light to let you know that it's not working, that it's tripped. Basically when either of those happen or it has a little button popped out for the reset, all you have to do is push it in and it should click and hold. If it doesn't, it could be bad, or it could be that whatever's plugged into it or whatever's down the line of it is leaking the ground and it's doing its job. So you might want to check that or have an electrician check that before you just assume that the GFI is bad. This is a GFCI breaker. Basically does the same thing as this. The only difference is this is like point of use type of thing. So with a GFCI, it's a local thing. So like you would find this at your kitchen countertop and it would be directly where you could see it. This is going to be down in your panel. So you can tell by the yellow trip set here, the test button, that it's a GFCI breaker. And this will protect the whole circuit, whereas this will only protect what's plugged into it and what's on the load side of it. So it won't actually protect the branch circuit from the panel to the actual GFCI breaker. You'll typically find the GFCI receptacle in like your garage, your kitchen, for your countertop and whatnot, outside your house, your bathroom, basement's one of them. Anywhere that there's really a chance that it's going to be damp or wet, more than likely you're going to find a GFI. When they trip, it's basically due to a leakage to ground. So what these do is they actually look for a loss of voltage to ground. That's why they're called a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. So, like for instance, we have a GFI here. This is a work area, just for safety purposes. We have one here. You can see that there's a little test and the reset here. A little button here pops out, and there's a little red indicator that comes on to let you know that it's tripped. And then all you have to do is just push it and it resets. So it's designed for life safety, to keep you from getting shocked and electrocuted. Tune in for our next episode.